India is currently deploying 100 lakh crore, roughly $1.2 trillion, into a single national objective. This is a calculated signal of intent. For the last century, the global economy revolved around the United States and its dominant currency. China followed a different path to influence, organizing its territory to become the world's centralized factory floor. Today, that center of gravity is shifting. As the West's industrial lead narrows, a vacuum has opened for a new global player. India's strategy assumes that power in this century relies on the control of logistics and trade routes. This plan prioritizes the movement of goods over traditional military expansion. The government is currently expanding the national expressway network at an aggressive pace. The Delhi-Mumbai route serves as the primary example of this new connective tissue. These roads allow commercial freight to cover distances in hours that previously required 3 days of travel. Projects like the Purvanchal Expressway demonstrate the level of political capital being spent to ensure these transit corridors remain a national priority. Parallel to the roads, the state is overhauling Indian railways, transitioning it from a slow, passenger-focused system into a modern, dual-purpose network. This map shows the emergence of dedicated freight corridors. By physically separating commercial cargo from passenger lines, the system can handle the high-volume transport required by heavy industry. This rail evolution includes the bullet train projects, designed to accelerate business travel to match the speed of the new freight lines. Without these internal arteries, factories cannot achieve the turnaround times necessary to compete in the global export market. Roads and rails require high-capacity destinations. The state is building localized ecosystems, including smart cities and industrial corridors, to feed directly into this transit network. A critical part of this plan involves defense corridors. By manufacturing military hardware locally, India aims to reduce its reliance on foreign imports. Once production is localized, the final challenge is connecting these industrial hubs to the global ocean trade routes. This is the goal of the Sagarmala project, an initiative to massively expand port capacity and build mega cargo terminals along the entire coastline. Maritime trade is a matter of physical capacity. The country that can load and unload the largest volume of cargo becomes a primary link in the global supply chain. By integrating internal factories with these expanded megaports, India is building a machine designed to capture the world's manufacturing flow. India is engineering a position as the indispensable backbone of the international economy. However, this vision faces severe ground-level friction. Systemic delays, complex land acquisition disputes, and bureaucratic hurdles frequently halt construction for years. If these execution problems are not solved, the 100 lakh crore investment will fail to reach its potential. Completing this blueprint would integrate India's manufacturing clusters into a single high-speed export engine. By streamlining the path between the factory floor and the ocean, India is positioning itself to manage the physical flow of goods. This level of logistical control provides the leverage necessary to influence global trade for decades to come. Subscribe to AG Access to track the progress of the map.